Hi, I'm Honest Jardy. Today we changed the faucet. Removed this old style. It's an old Moen, and we put a new delta in with the high neck. And we got hottie, cold hot storage.
And this comes out.
Yeah,
like
we
that.
have a sprayer. Let me turn it up a little bit. There's a sprayer, and then some kind of, I don't know what that is, but that's for women, I guess. I don't know what. But. And it's a little soap dispenser, and then they have their water, which I didn't remove.
Okay, there's a new faucet going in today. This is the new one going in. And that's the old one going out. These have the handles. This one only has one handle. And we have our famous plumber, Honest Jardy here.
With all his tools.
It has the tools, which
The
I
basin
didn't have.
wrench.
That's the tool I didn't have, right
The
there.
basin wrench.
Get up
And
underneath there. So let's look under here and see what's going on. Which is, we can't get under here. See those bolts way up in there? That's the wrench.
that's just for the supply lines.
Wrench. Get it out.
This is a very handy tool.
So now we're gonna use this tool. That's that. Now we got that off. Okay, we got these off. Now this is gonna pop right out.
We have to take this. We have to take the sprayer off with the adjustable.
Dynamite. Get the dynamite.
It had a good run, hippie.
Yep.
It had a good run, but it's over now.
All right.
And your job, Michael, is to clean all that off. 'Cause you're my helper.
Oh, brother. Well, we can't get it off, so we're gonna have to split it.
I don't have my small hacksaw, or else it would go smooth.
You got it cleaned up. That came out. Okay, let's get it in.
You being a learning plumber, you're going to get under the sink.
I am.
Okay. Now, where's the knuts?
So now we're gonna take these two, and I gotta go up underneath and get them on. So, okay, hold it. You got it.
It goes on the sprayer. It'll go when it goes through. The weight will go on the sprayer. And don't they have a little clip? They usually have a clip. I don't see one though, Michael.
There was more stuff.
But this snaps on the.
This slides.
Here, this will snap on right here once it goes through. Oh, that slides. Usually they have a stop on them, but this guy, underneath, you'll snap on, Michael.
Yep.
And you lock it in with this so you can take it apart. And then we'll have to finagle the supply lines. But boy, am I going to get even with you.
Perfect.
Okay.
These on first.
You're going to appreciate Honest Jardy a lot more.
Let me get that little tool in there.
If you could see it, that's the little wrench that tightens the nut. It'll draw it down, and then there's two little screws that'll help you
Tighten it up.
even more. So there's a little plastic. How's it look up there, Mike? Pretty good? Okay. And there's two screws here to lock it in even better. It'll lock it in. It'll pull that down. We put the weight on the line. See the weight?
Yeah, the weight on the line, so it can pushing it out.
And then you snap the connection together. There's O-rings. If I can get at it. Oh, come on, Mom. I gotta get my arm in there here, Michael. Wow. Okay, and then this guy snaps on there to hold it together. And you can't pull it apart. Is it red?
That's red.
You're colorblind, though, aren't you?
Yeah,
it is
that's
red.
So red goes over there.
I have to do a loop-de-loop. I don't really care for these style. Now I got it. That time I got it, Michael.
Okay, we're underneath, no leaks. I actually just got removed. Screws from behind, and that's the only way they really get in there.
All right, we have the remover for the screens here. They give you, I guess one does all here. I'm not sure if that guy gets out. But this guy, you take it apart, and when you get debris in, and there it is. And this is, the engineer I hope is fired that designed this. And there's this little screen in there. There's an O-ring on the screen, there it is. And you get debris and clean it out. Well, it's clean though, so I'm not sure if there's one under there. These newfangled fancy faucets. I'm not sure, no. Another job done by honest Jardy. Don't look for me, I'm not in the yellow pages.